In this video, we are going to talk about sets. Sets are one of the major concepts in maths. Let's start with the definition. So, by definition, a set is a well-defined collection of any objects or things. The objects or things are called elements or members. And we are going to use capital letters A, B, and so on, and lowercase a, b, and so on to represent a set and its elements respectively. Now, this notation simply means that the element x is in a set A, or in other words, x belongs to A. Now, this Greek letter epsilon between x and A expresses the relationship, the membership between x and A. So that's just a symbol. Now, when this Greek letter crossed, that simply means that the element x is not an element of a set A. So x does not belong to A. Now, how to describe a set? There are a couple of ways to do. The first one is roster method or tabular form. So all that means is just to list out all the elements. For instance, say we have set of vowels in English alphabet. Let's call it V. Consisting of the following elements: A, E, I, O, U. The second example, the set of the days of the week, so set D, containing the elements Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way to Sunday. Number 3, the set of natural numbers less than 5, so A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, the set of natural or counting numbers, so the capital N has the following elements 1, 2, 3, and so on. All the elements of the set are listed, separated by comma and enclosed within the braces, so we use curly brackets. Elements are not to be repeated, meaning all elements are taken as distinct. Set might be written implicitly if it has too many elements to be written out in full. Ellipsis is to be used to indicate that established pattern is to be continued indefinitely, meaning there is no last element, so this set goes on forever. Alright, a couple of remarks. Order does not matter, so the elements of set could be listed in any order. For instance, let's say we have set A containing A, B, and C, so we could also write the set as B, A, C. It's gonna be precisely the same set. And so on. The second remark is we do not duplicate elements in a set. Say we have set A containing elements 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So we do not write element twice or more times. So instead of this, we could simply just write the element 2 one time, element 5 one time. So the first one, the first notation, it's actually the incorrect notation of a set. Now, the second way to describe a set is a set builder form or set comprehension, so describing the elements. Now, the set of vowels in English alphabet also could be described as a V equals X, such that X is a vowel of English alphabet, just using words. The second example, the set of days of the week, so D equals all elements A such that A is a day of the week. The next one, the set of whole numbers less than 5, also can be written as A equals N, such that N belongs to N and N is less than 5 but greater than or equal to 1. And the last example is the set of natural or counting numbers. So the general rule, the general gist of this is all the elements of the set are described by using a predicate or the property or the rule, if you will, that define them. We're going to use curly brackets, variable that could be any letter, A, X, Y, and so on, Semicolon, descriptive statement. So instead of this, we could use also the vertical bar, so which stands for such that. And this variable sometimes it's called a dummy variable. Now let's move on and have a look at standard numerical sets. The first one is the set of all natural or counting numbers, which is denoted by capital letter N, containing the following elements 1, 2, and so on. The next set is the set of even numbers, so which are divisible by 2. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, and so on. The next set is the set of odd numbers, which are not even numbers. The next set is the set of prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, and so on. So these numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself, except 1. The set of whole numbers containing all natural numbers with 0. The next set, the set of integer numbers, so it's all whole numbers and also added natural numbers with negatives in front, so it's denoted by capital Z. The next set is the set of rational numbers containing all fractions. And the biggest one is the set of real numbers. Some problems? More?